Name's Dion. Fastest track runner here.
My name's Oswald, but you can call me O. This is the story of how I accidentally got put in the state track meet. Coach pulled me aside randomly, but little did I know this would be the start of my journey. This is when Coach tells me I'm gonna be a reserve at the state track meet.
Me?
Coach, I'm not gonna let you down. I'm ready. It's meet day, boys, and I can't wait to watch Dion dust these guys. I need to keep this bench warm, especially for him. During warm-ups, Dion hurt himself. Coach comes over and tells me the heartbreaking news. I'm running. My reaction tells the story. With this news, I have to train for comp. I gotta win. I gotta show Coach my true potential. I just have to.
Coach, your performance in the last track meet, abysmal. You have heart though, and that's what I like about you. Anyway, you're cut.
But you said I did good.
Yeah, I lied to you. I thought you were gonna have one of those Cinderella stories that they do inside of those movies.
What?